Previously.
What?
What? What?
What?
What?
What?
What? What? What?
What?
What? What? What?
What?
What?
뭐죠?
What? What?
What?
What?
What?
What? What? What?
What?
So I splashed out a bit and got brand new corner lights for the bumper. Proper Toyota genuine parts. Make the front look so much nicer. It's so yellow looking. Especially after meeting with a bunch of other 86s that had nice lights. So I thought it'd have to go as well. It's all timed up, all lit up, so now to go for a drive and see if it smokes at all anymore.
Body like ice water. Baby, now you be my brain buster. Driving me softly in the Range Rover.
Come on, I see the stars, but only you shine. Fine girl with a pretty smile. Shine on me, I like this is hot. The moment I saw you, I knew you were mine. You're my one in a million. My love for you, change like a million. Stay with me and I'll stay with you. Be my girl, I'm gonna be your man. Wait, to the beat of the love with you. To the beat of stop talking with you. I got the beat and I'm wasting my time. I let it alone, you go, they show me attitude. Friend zone.
So, after trying to sort the smoke issue, going for a drive after I did the stem seals yesterday, it still smokes like it. So now I'm moving on to thinking maybe it's the turbo, and after examining the turbo, that's in play, which seems to be a fair bit, so I'm going to try take that off and actually have a look what's going on. See if there's oil in the back of the turbo where there shouldn't be, and yeah, see what happens there. Hopefully it's that. If it's not that, then it's definitely rings. But I did a compression test and that came up all clear. The plugs look clean, so yeah.
Body like ice water. Baby, now you be my brain buster. Driving me softly in the Range Rover. You got me doing papa.
Turbo's off and apart. separated the centre cartridge, so for some reason it has oil in the intake side, so it's not coming a little bit, it's actually more than it should be. As you can see from there, trickle sitting in the bottom of that, it's not ideal, and the exhaust is all oily looking, so it's definitely passing through oil, so maybe seals, or yeah, I'm not sure what's going on. So pull it apart a bit further and see what happens.
Cooling my body like ice water. Maybe now you be my brain buster. Driving me softly.
So the turbo's apart, taking the whole shaft out. So what they have is a seal, you can kind of see. It's like a steel ring that runs around the edge of the, on the end here. And that mates up to the edge here on the housing. Slides in there and sits in there. So I'm assuming that's gone, which is odd because that was new with the bearing cartridge. So it's interesting. And then as well as that, there's actually oil in the front here, so there's actually another one of these seals on the end of the bearings here. So that case end needs to come off. First going to see if I can actually get bearings on, seals or not. I don't really want to have to buy like a whole kit, but we shall see.